Hello dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well at home and also following all the protocols of COVID-19. Today we will discuss the exercise part of chapter number 4, that is separation of substances. So let's start it. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe. So let's start with fill in the blanks. The first question is, how I sometimes use the method of winnowing to remove. So what will be the answer? The answer will be winnowing. Okay. To remove what? To remove unwanted substances from the edible like rice and pulses. Moving ahead, the question number 2, common salt. Common salt is prepared on the large scale through which process? Through the process of crystallization. किस प्रोसेस के थ्रू कॉमन सॉल्ट को हम लार्ज स्केल में बनाते हैं? डेट इज क्रिस्टलाइजेशन. सेपरेशन ऑफ टी लीव्स फ्रॉम टी इज डन बाय what we use to separate tea leaves from tea? We use sieve, and this process of separation of tea leaves from tea is called filtration या फिर filtration. Moving ahead, the process of dash can be used to increase the rate of sedimentation of suspended particles in solid liquid mixtures. So we know that whenever we have to increase the rate of sedimentation, what we will do? We will put some load there. So the name of that process is loading. Moving ahead, the method used to separate the fine particles suspended in a liquid by rotating the mixture at high speed is known as what? The method used to separate the fine particles suspended in a liquid by rotating the mixture at high speed is known as centrifugation. जैसे ये word आए कि rotating at high speed, what will be the name of process? That is centrifugation. Okay, so it's very important. Moving ahead to the match of the following. The sequence will be 4, 1, 2, 5, 3 and 6. Okay, अब ये कैसे है ये मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दे रही हूँ. Wind. You all know that wind is used for what? For winnowing. Okay. Chalk powder and water. Chalk powder and water are used. Chalk powder and water को अगर आप solution बनाते हैं, then through the that gets sedimented in the lower side, in the bottom side. So the process will be sedimentation. Oil and water, you all know that oil and water are immiscible liquids. So how can they all be separated? With the help of separating funnel. So we will collect it with E. Then separating peach from the cooked pulao. If you have to pick up only the peach from the pulao, or you have to pick anything from your hand, so which method which we used? We will use hand picking method. Muslin cloth. Muslin cloth will be used for filtration. For filtration we can use filter paper, muslin cloth, or even a clean cotton cloth. Then camphor and salt. You all know that camphor and salt can be separated with which method? Through the process sublimation. Why? Because camphor will sublime whenever we increase the temperature, so it will sublime and salt will be remained there. So by this way we can match the following. Moving ahead, there is tick the correct option. Which of following is an example of a heterogeneous mixture? So that is pebble in rice. Other all are homogeneous mixture. Then which one of the following is not an example of a pure substance? So you all know that air is composition of so many gases. So that is not a pure substance. That's a mixture. Then the process of a loading helps to, so loading means what? To speed up the rate of sedimentation. Moving ahead, the fourth question, transferring the clear liquid into another container, leaving behind the residue is called, when you transfer a liquid into another container as something is residue मतलब बचा जाता है, तो what is this called? The process of transferring, that is known as decantation. A substance that sublimes easily is, so from the given example, naphthalene is the substance which sublimes easily. Okay, moving ahead, and the brief answers, but there are only answers, questions you can write from your book. So the first question is, name any three methods used for separating a solid to solid mixture. Okay, so the methods used for separating a solid to solid mixtures are hand picking, threshing and winnowing. The second question is, what is winnowing? Give an example of a mixture whose components can be separated by this method. So you can write, winnowing is a method to separate lighter and heavier components by wind blow method. This is very important, wind blow method. So what will be the example? Separating mixture of husk and grain. For this, mixture is allowed to fall from your height. It means आपकी हाइट जितनी रहेगी वहाँ से मिक्सचर को आपको फॉल कराना है, एंड द लाइटर कंपोनेंट विल गेट ब्लोन अवे फ्रॉम अ डिस्टेंस while the heavier component fall down closer. Okay, the two parts thus get separated out into a separate heaps. दोनों separate easily हो जाएंगे. Then D3 is some question is, you have to write questions also. I am providing only answers and reading questions for you. You have to write questions as well as answers. Okay, so D3 question is, some iron pins get scattered on the carpet when you are expecting guests. How can one collect all the pins in the shortest possible time? ओके, सो आप कैसे बहुत ईजिली सारे जो आयरन कील्स गिर गई हैं उसे कैसे कलेक्ट कर सकते हो? सो इट्स आंसर विल बी, वन कैन कलेक्ट ऑल द पिन्स in the shortest possible time by using what? By using a magnet. For this, he or she will move the magnet just above the carpet, so all the pins will get cling to the magnet and it will be get clean out. The fourth question is, name any three substances which sublime on heating. So what will be the answer? The answer will be, the three substances which sublime on heating are as following, that is camphor, naphthalene and ammonium chloride. Okay, all these three are very important. The first question is, what is crystallization, and name any substance which can be purified using this technique. So crystallization is a method used to obtain pure solids from a given solution in the form of their crystal. This is very important beta, whenever you write it, please keep this in mind that this is the method to obtain pure solids. Okay, we even use filtration, but filtration with pure solids we can't obtain, but in crystallization we can obtain pure solid. So crystallization is a method which is used to obtain pure solids from a given solution in the form of their crystals, and three substances which can be purified using this technique are as following, that is salt, alum which is also called फिटकरी, blue vitriol जिसे हम हिंदी में नीला थोथा भी कहते हैं. Okay, moving ahead, answer the following questions. The first question is, differentiate between a pure substance and a mixture and give two examples of each. So pure substance की definition क्या हो सकती है? Yesterday I have shared a video where I have explained the substance, mixture and homogeneous, heterogeneous all in detail. So pure substance, substances which are having only one kind of particle are called pure substances, and mixture are the thing which consist two or more substances. Okay, so they all are put together in any proportion, for example soil, air. Moving ahead, E2, that is state the difference between heterogeneous and homogeneous mixture and give two example of each type. So for homogeneous mixture we can write, A mixture having the same composition over all its part is called homogeneous mixture. For example, mixture of salt and water alloys. It means what? Which have the same composition. Like if it is composed of two parts, part A and part B, so the proportion of both will be 50-50%. Okay, whatever be the composition, that will be certain. So the mixture having the same composition all over its part is homogeneous mixture, like mixture of salt and water. While if we talk about heterogeneous mixture, that is the mixture which is having different composition of its different parts, like a mixture of chalk powder and water, mixture of iron nails and rice, all these things which have the different composition or different parts, that all are heterogeneous mixture. Then E3, can a mixture of iodine and camphor be separated by the sublimation method? Give reason for your answer. So you all know that iodine and camphor both have the tendency to sublime, so they cannot be separated by sublimation method. So we will write no, iodine and camphor both are sublime in nature and hence they can't be separated by sublimation method. Okay. The fourth question is, why does the size of naphthalene balls put in open keep on reducing with time? मैंने आपको जब एक्टिविटी एक्सप्लेन करी थी तभी मैंने आपको बताया था कि नेफ्थलीन बॉल्स को आप इस प्रैक्टिकल करके भी देख सकते हैं. इफ़ यू पुट दिस ओपन इट विल कीप ऑन रिड्यूसिंग इट्स साइज विथ टाइम. सो व्हाई डज इट हैपन? द साइज ऑफ नेफ्थलीन बॉल put in open keeps on reducing with time because of sublimation method, and that is naphthalene is sublime in nature and directly changes from solid state to gaseous state without undergoing liquid state. That's why, because its nature to sublime, so its size get reduced. The fifth question is, after a dust storm, how does rain help in making air clear? So what will be the answer? The dust particles in the air get loaded with water and settle down. So this is also an example of loading. So thus what happens, that raindrops help in making air clean. The sixth question is, sawdust mixed in water cannot be separated by the sedimentation method. Why? सॉडस्ट मतलब बेटा लकड़ी का बूरा. आपने देखा होगा कि विद द हेल्प ऑफ सॉ whenever people cut the wood, तो उसमें से एक पाउडर टाइप का जो रहता है सब्सटेंस वो आउट होता है. उसे हम हिंदी में लकड़ी का बूरा कहते हैं और इंग्लिश में सॉडस्ट कहते हैं. तो व्हेन इफ़ यू मिक्स दिस विथ वाटर, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी लाइटर, सो इट डजंट गेट मिक्स, और ये ऊपर ही अपर लेयर पे ही स्टेबल रहता है, इट डजंट गो इनसाइड. So why does it happen? So question is, when it is mixed with water, why can't it be separated by sedimentation method? So answer will be, when the sawdust mixed in water, it can't be separated by sedimentation method because it is lighter and it floats on the surface of water. Thus sawdust will not settle down in water when the mixture of sawdust and water is kept undisturbed, because that वो dissolve ही नहीं हुआ, that is very lighter. Sedimentation process is very important, that something is heavier than water, so that will be get settled down. But if something is lighter, so it will stay on the upper layer only. So the sawdust cannot be separated by the process of sedimentation. Okay. Moving ahead, the question number 7, which is, the filtration method cannot be used to separate sugar and salt mixed water. Why? That is asking, you all know that sugar and salt both are soluble in water. So इसके filtration method को हम कैसे use कर सकते हैं? तो what we will answer, we will say, filtration method can't be used to separate sugar and salt mixed in water because they form a homogeneous mixture that can't be separated with filtration method. Okay. The 8th question and the last question of answer the following is, the question is, describe The question is, describe the method of centrifugation using an appropriate example. So we can write, it is a method. You can write, you can put the heading certification also. आप ऊपर certification method heading डाल के फिर लिख सकते हैं that it is a method used to separate the fine particles suspended in a liquid by rotating the mixture at high speed. The heavier particles tend to settle down at the bottom of the container while the lighter ones stay at the top. If we take some milk in the centrifugation machine and spit it rapidly, this is the example बेटा, यहाँ पे हम लोग example दे रहे हैं कि if we take some milk in a centrifugation machine and spin it rapidly, the cream suspended from the milk, because cream is lighter than milk. Okay, so by writing this we are describing centrifugation method and also giving an appropriate example here. So I hope that you all have understood all these things very well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe. Take care a lot and be positive in thoughts only. Take care a lot. Bye.